a quick demonstration of the Hinge repair kit. Here's the two parts. This is the part that fastens to the car, the chassis, and this is the part that fastens to the door. And they're basically pinned together like that. Let's put this in. Okay, and normally there's a bush in here and a bush in here, which may have probably disintegrated by the time you come to fit one of these. Two bushes, one goes in that way and one goes in that way. That being like that. So one faces down and the other one faces down, but on the inside. Once that's been fitted, it's really simple. Just align the pin. These bushes are both the same, so it doesn't matter which way. Once it's aligned, like so, I'll just pop it in the vise just to hold it. You don't need a hammer this big. This is the only one I've got kicking out of it.